not just ransomware. The hidden story behind Europe's airport chaos. Europe's airports are in chaos. Heathrow, Brussels, Berlin, Dublin. Everyone says ransomware. But is that really the story? Or are we watching a much bigger test unfold? ENISA confirmed ransomware hit Collins Aerospace's MUSE check-in system, the backbone for many airports. But here's the strange part. No ransom demand, no hacker group bragging, just silence. And while the systems were down, drones forced Copenhagen and Oslo airports to close. Coincidence? Or a coordinated probe of Europe's cyber plus physical defenses? Experts rush to call it ransomware, but some intelligence insiders suggest it looks like a hybrid stress test. Remember NotPetya? It also looked like ransomware at first, but it was pure sabotage. This is about more than passengers stranded. It's about Europe's dependence on one vendor. If MUSE goes dark, half the continent stalls. Regulators may now move to tighten oversight under NIS2. So, ransomware or cyber war rehearsal? You decide. Comment below, criminals or coordinated hybrid threat. This is AranEye, your global lens on cyber truth. Stay alert, stay secure.